Google has launched a special machine learning course those who are interested to learn ML. It's a 15-hour long course. It consists of around 25 lessons. It just have 30 plus exercises. These are the lectures taught by Google researchers. And also it includes real world case studies, like how you can just apply ML directly to real world applications. You can just learn all those things. It's just a free course. The topics include some basic ML algorithms like linear logistic regressions, and as well as some high level deep learning algorithms. And also they're gonna teach how you can just approach a real world problem using an ML. Even they have a lot of exercises, and also they will just provide you a project also, so you can just do that. So it's completely for free. You won't get the certificate, but it's worth doing it. If you feel this useful, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.